let's take a look at this chart real quick. So what are we doing with this particular chart? We're going to determine exactly when to buy, when to sell. So when this chart started going up here, it started going up. And what we did is we actually bought right here. So we bought on this dip right here, and then we bought back on this dip right here. So that gave us a little bit of kind of entry points to make sure we minimize our losses and we maximize our profit. So what exactly are we doing, and what is this rule called? 468. So every time a chart goes up, every time a chart goes down, there is three different stages that a chart usually tends to dip on. Let's say you have a total of 2 Solana, and you're gonna be working your trade on on any coin, right? And the way I like to do this is I usually do this manually because I trade manually quite often. But the way this works is what you want to do is, let's say right here on this entry point right here, this is when the coin came out here, and I have 2 Solana, right? So what I would do here is I would put 0.5 right here, okay? 0.5. And then what I do here is, if I see another dip, what I do here on this one, I put 1 Solana, okay? So that has me at 1.5, which leaves me 0.5 left. So where exactly do I put that 0.5? So as the chart is moving up, what I'm doing is I'm trying to collect as many tokens as I possibly can to have the majority of the tokens, because the more tokens you have, the more you'll be able to sell up here. So what I do here is, if this chart starts going up here and starts trending up, I will buy here again, right here, at 0.5. Okay. So that gives me a relatively good average here. And it's going to be extremely important that you learn that rule, because the faster you learn that rule, the more profit you're going to be able to maximize whenever you're trading. And as you guys see, guys, we've been calling some really good coins here on TG. So if you're not following me there, link is down below. If you're not following me on X, you guys are completely missing out. Make sure you follow. Link is down below. And don't forget to get the best tool right now to trade manually. Bullets, link down below.